This plant was never just for sleep. Valerian. Quiet, unassuming, yet known for something few could explain. Long before modern remedies, people turned to it. In moments of restlessness, unease, and inattention, it grew in wild landscapes, far from noise, untouched and still. And yet, it became something people trusted. Not just to calm the body, but to settle the mind. Its roots, strong, earthy, unmistakable, were dried, prepared, and passed down through generations. In many traditions, valerian was more than a remedy. It was believed to bring balance, to quiet what couldn't be explained. Some said it could ease tension, not only within the body, but between worlds. A plant connected to stillness, to silence, to the space between thought and rest. Over time, its youth became simpler, but its deeper meaning remained. Even today, valerian is still used, often without knowing its story. A quiet presence through time. Still calming, still grounding, because some plants don't just help you rest, they help you return to yourself.